yeah.
My God, what did you eat?
Let's start by crushing about a cup and a half of peanuts. You can use any method you choose. I choose to use my wand and it worked out quite nicely. Now we're going to add about 6 tablespoons of butter to the crushed nuts. That's a little bit too much butter, so we're going to add some more crushed nuts. That's a little better. Now in a 10-inch springform pan, form a crust on the bottom with the crushed nuts. And now in a 2-quart saucepan, add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/3 of a cup of starch. Mix that a little bit. Now add 7 cups of milk, over some medium heat. Stir this until the mixture thickens. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter, some vanilla extract, blend that in. Now we're going to pour the milk mixture into the 10-inch springform pan and refrigerate your milk pie. This is what we do with the extra milk pie mixture. Now let's break apart about an ounce worth of dark chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Add 1/4 cup of milk or heavy cream and melt that in the microwave. Take your milk pie out of the refrigerator, unwrap it, and add your melted chocolate mixture onto the top. Refrigerate for a little while longer until you're ready. Cut yourself a slice and enjoy.